In OnePageCRM, you can create email sequences and add them to contacts with just a click. Here's how it works. This is my contact Joe Blocks. I can build a new email sequence right from his page. Let's say I want one for onboarding new customers. From here, I can then add a series of email templates and set the delivery schedule for each of them. This email sequence can be saved in my CRM. Now, when I'm talking to this or any other contact, I can add the sequence from the next action field by simply typing its name and selecting. That's it. The sequence is scheduled. You can also automate email sequences. For example, once I change a contact status to prospect, the autoflow triggers a nurturing sequence. To set this up, head over to the autoflow page and click on Create. First, choose a trigger and then select the sequence. And that's it. The autoflow is set and ready to fire up. You can have multiple sequences for things like onboarding customers, nurturing VIPs, or re-engaging lost opportunities. Save them in your CRM account or create autoflows for each of them. Make sure to check out email sequences and see you in the next video.